Okay, good morning, everybody. I just wanted to tell y'all a little bit what I got going on this morning. Easy, simple oil change job. Make a quick little piece of change, and it's only going to take me about an hour to do it. We en route right now to get to the customer's house, and I'll take y'all through the process. Y'all just stay tuned. But y'all can do easy jobs like this, oil change and simple roadside assistant jobs, and make you money also. And not only do I tell you can do it, I also create tools like eBooks and shirts and stuff like that to help you. So if anybody interested in making money doing side hustles or anything, you should check out some of my eBooks, look at some of my videos and stuff like that. It'll definitely help you. And right now I'm on my way to do a simple oil change, which doesn't take much time. And what I'm gonna tell you, another side hustle that I did, and I'll tell you how much money I made this weekend, and it was almost effortlessly. So y'all stay tuned, enjoy the video, like and subscribe. Stay tuned.
At one point in time in your life, to be successful, you have to jump. Jumping is the hardest thing for people to do, but you have to jump. If you never jump, you'll never be successful.
Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is get it jacked up in the air, so I got plenty of space to work up under it. Of course, you use your safety stands, so I got plenty of space to work up under there. You see my jack stands. So the first thing, now the next thing, it has a panel up under there that we have to remove before we can get to the oil filter and oil pan. Okay, see if y'all notice up under here, they got a pan. You have to remove this pan to get to the oil. Get to the oil. I'm gonna use this because it's faster. They're just 10 millimeters. It should only be hand tightened. Then what I do, I take my little bolt here. You should always, there's a little seal in there, you should get it, but she didn't get it, so I'm gonna just reinstall, but you should replace that little seal that's around that bolt also. She didn't get it, but it'll be okay. It wasn't leaking or anything. So I just install my little bolt. You don't want to be super tight on it. I think it's 25 pounds if you torque it, because you don't want to strip it up. You want to make sure you clean up everything. Everything should look nice and clean. Tighten up my bolt a little bit. Actually got markings on there, so you can put it right back on the markings. Can't go wrong. Okay, then I move this one out of the way. Of course, gotta clean up my little mess. And I'm gonna reinstall this pan. Which is. 0.5 right there. Get my 0.2 out of there. So I'm gonna start pouring it in. Okay, after you get your oil, make sure you have everything cleaned up. Don't leave no mess. You pull your oil stick and you check it stick. You see it's pretty much there. Let's dip it again. And check it. See it's right there, right up under that line. Which is about perfect. Actually, when I set it down, the oil of the front of the car's up. When I set it down, it'll be exactly on the line. So pretty much the only thing you do from here is reset the oil mileage thing in the vehicle. Okay, with these jugs right here, you want to save these because you have to dispose of your old oil, and if you put it back in this pan, it won't leak all over your vehicle or your truck until you get it to the auto place to dispose of it, which is free. We pulling into the auto zone. The reason why we come in here, we just gonna dispose of the old oil before we leave, before we get home. Okay, when you come in and dispose of the oil, is actually free because they recycle the oil. They'll tell you where to go, which is all the way back here, right here. They just let you come back here, and all you do is, you see this? Just open your container, turn it upside down. That's it, just leave it. Easy. Okay, y'all, I just want to talk to you a little bit while I was on my way in. Now, that job took about 30 minutes. I charged $60 to change somebody's oil, and they get their own oil. So all I'm doing is the labor. It took about 30 minutes. I made $60. Actually, I made $65 because I had to run and get an oil filter. She forgot the oil filter. And this weekend, just this weekend, barely doing anything, working about 30 minutes, I made a total of $120, which is, I do it as a side hustle. So the first thing, that I made my first $60 with, I sold a cappuccino machine that somebody had gave to me. They gave me a whole bunch of stuff, and I put the cappuccino machine. I sat on that cappuccino machine probably a month. Probably had about a month, a little bit over a month. Actually, when I put it up the first time, I put it up for $50. A lady acted like she was interested. She never came. So the other day I was in there. I said, well, let me update my stuff, and I put it up to $80 because I did my research and I seen that the other ones was being sold online was about $100. So I said $80 would be a fair price. So yesterday a guy hit me and told me he was interested in it. He tried to get me down to $50. I told him I wouldn't take the 50, but I'd take 60. He paid 60, so I made $60 selling something on Marketplace that I got for absolutely free. And I changed oil for one person and made $65. So that's $125. And I worked 30 minutes. Now y'all can do these side hustles also. And the lady, she must have been satisfied because she did say she was gonna leave me a review. And see, those reviews and every customer is what builds it into a business. It starts out as a side hustle, but the things that's successful and I'm comfortable with doing, those are the things that you end up scaling up and making a business. Now I have another job. So I have another job. I don't have to be there till 4 o'clock. It's like 1:45. So I'll get home at about 2 o'clock and still have 2 hours to go before I even get to my regular job. And my money is made. So, anybody can do this. And if y'all want help doing this, all you have to do is, I have eBooks, t-shirts, all kind of stuff that help you make money. My stuff, I try to create value for people that are following me and people that subscribe and that's interested in doing these type of things. I just do them as a side hustle, but these are the type of things that I do to sustain myself. And if you're interested, just check out some of the ebooks and stuff like that. The reason how I learned how to write ebooks and marketing is because I'm always online doing research, so I learn a lot of stuff. And that's what I'm trying to tell you. If y'all get started, get going on something, you're gonna learn stuff along the way. And that's gonna be another way that you'll scale up your services and products that could also make you more money. So I appreciate y'all checking out my video. Y'all have a great day and enjoy the rest of y'all day, and I'll holler at you next time.